Hi guys! Today we are going to learn how to make a Google Drive link private. First of all, unlock your phone and open Google Drive. Once it opens, you will see all your uploaded files and folders. Honestly, this is the main place where all your data is stored. So just make sure you are on the correct account before moving ahead. Now find the file whose link you want to make private. Next to that file, you will see three dots. Just tap on them. This menu contains all important settings for that file, so don't worry, we are going to change access from here. After tapping the three dots, a list of options will appear. From there, you need to click on Manage Access. This is the section where link sharing settings are controlled. So this step is very important for privacy settings. Now you will see General Access settings on the screen. If it says anyone with the link, that means your file is public. Just tap it and change it to restricted. This will ensure only selected people can access your file. So guys, that's how you can easily make your Google Drive link private. It only takes a few seconds once you know the steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tech guides like this.